So I am really grinding my gears while dealing with this COVID-19. It is not the first time I have seen this, and it always ends the same way. Companies want to remove the older people to hire those with less experience to pay less money. While recruiters call up the older folks out of work, they are offering lower wages thinking they are doing them a favor. The part that upsets me is that my work got called cutting edge and many tried to steal my work. Many tried to steal it behind my back and failed, and one of them who worked for the government security division tried to break into my home and steal my software and hardware. He knew that my system could be worth millions and its security system was beyond cutting edge. So you have an idea? My server fits into a 4-foot rack, and the motherboard that controls it is an Asus B250 with 19 PCIe cards. Each card has 8 GPUs with 4 CPUs, and 4 dynamically programmed FPGAs, keeping in mind that each card has over 24,000 cores tied to the GPUs. Given my system's 456,000 GPU cores, and 1,216 CPU cores, the operating system uses CUDA to emulate a quantum computer. We allow the remade CUDA to use the FPGAs as what many call qubits, making the first portable quantum computer that operates at room temperature. Now, most of you know how long it takes to mine a single Bitcoin, and it takes you months to make one coin, and the cost to make it almost eats all the profits. My one system with 19 cards can make a single coin in 10 days, and that's 3 coins a month on a single server. Many with large mining farms are lucky to make 1 coin a month, and my system can make 3 of them in 1 month. The current value of 1 coin right now is about $40,000, yet my system can make 3 of them a month, so that is a considerable amount. Now here is where I grind my gears. Recruiters call me, offering me lowball wages for a quantum AI, and think I will be happy for it. Please feel free to reach out and send me a direct message or post a comment. Even though I am working on the system, I will respond.